Finding your UMID card ID number.
Hello and welcome to this step-by-step guide. Today, we're going to talk about the location of the ID number on your UMID, or Unified Multipurpose ID card. This is an important identification document in the Philippines, so knowing where to find crucial information on it, such as the ID number, is essential.
What is a UMID card?
First, let's briefly discuss what a UMID card is. The UMID stands for Unified Multipurpose ID. It's the single ID card for all Social Security services in the Philippines. The card serves as a valid proof of identification for transactions with government agencies and other instances where an ID is required.
Understanding your UMID card.
Now, let's take a closer look at your UMID card. There's a lot of information on both sides, but don't worry, we're going to focus on the front side of the card. This side has your photo, name, signature, date of birth, and other relevant information.
Where is the ID number?
So, where is the ID number? The UMID card ID number is located at the front side of your card. It's a 12-digit number printed right below your date of birth. It's a unique number assigned to you and is very important for any transactions involving your UMID.
Keeping your UMID card safe.
Finally, just a reminder to keep your UMID card and its ID number safe. Don't share this number unnecessarily, and make sure to store your card in a secure place when not in use. This will help protect you from identity theft and other potential issues. And that's it. Now you know where to find the ID number on your UMID card. Remember, this 12-digit number is very important, so handle it with care. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this guide helpful.